What is NFT? Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will talk about NFT. Before we ask what is it, do make sure that you subscribe though. Let's get into this video. NFT. Bet you have been coming across this term lately, more frequently than ever, especially on YouTube, Twitter, vlogs, and every other possible social media platform. For super geeks, it's a digital and decentralized asset that is non-fungible and is a blockchain-enabled smart contract. Ooh, tough to understand, right? So let's break it down to layman terms. Non-fungible means it's unique. In other words, a subject that cannot be replicated, and tokens are blockchain-enabled smart contracts. If you are new to cryptocurrencies legacy like Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin, then you may need to understand that blockchains are, as of now, the best way to safely keep information. It is impossible to hack or cheat a system to change any information recorded. Hence, this NFT becomes the ultimate certificate of authenticity in the digitalized world. Now you would understand that it's neither a Bitcoin or Ethereum, but it's recognized as a digital ledger, just like those cryptocurrencies. Currently, the most common use of NFT has been artwork, music, and in-game assets, and hence all classes of creativity. This is almost like the WWF trading cards or Pokemon Tazos that we used to collect during the 90s. John Cena or Charizard Pokemon were found rarely in the pack, hence we traded them for a higher value. Just that the value in NFT is way higher. Logan Paul, a YouTuber turned professional boxer, created a Pokemon NFT, and this is revolutionizing the decentralized trading market. Bet you are wondering, if only I knew this back then. Logan's advantage was tons of followers, so when he sold his own NFT, he made a whopping $3.5 million in one day, as he was able to sell 1,773 NFTs, and each NFT was sold for 1 Ethereum. That was $2,000 back then. You're probably thinking, Logan has millions of followers, so he made money, but how is it possible for a small-time creator like me? Even though it's true, you can still give it a try by using the bidding option that most marketplaces offer. Well, it doesn't hurt to try. Also, if you are keen on investments, try to buy rare or sought-after digital collectibles. Trust me, NFT is here to stay. It is said by a financial corporation that NFT will play a big role in the future of retail, social media, entertainment, and commerce. Even the channels that talk about the NFT like ours are having more viewership. Thanks for your curiosity. Since NFT can be a physical work with an attached NFT or entirely digital work, the collectors and artists are ready to explore the new way of artwork. Who wouldn't want their creativity to be timeless and valuable, especially after all the effort to make it one of a kind in the digital world? I emphasize the digital world, as any unique idea turns out to be plagiarism in the digital world, as it so happens that our eventually human thinking coincides even though we live worlds apart. So how do you get about doing this NFT business? Well, anyone with enough unique creativity can get on the NFT game. First of all, you need a MetaMask account so that you can visit marketplaces like OpenSea, Rarible, Nifty Gateway, Valuables by Cents, NFTify, and many more to bid or sell the collectibles. But just remember, unlike the actual marketplace, here you are paid in cryptocurrency like Ethereum. Who knows? You might come up with another B-Pulse every day the first 5,000 days. It was auctioned off for a whopping $69 million. First of its kind, of course, as it's the first NFT digital artwork. There are more jaw-dropping instances like this, but instead of Googling how others have made money, trying to make your own. However, just like every business has its disclaimer in the end, here I need to warn you of the downside of entering the NFT world. The major concern for any common man would be the hundreds of dollars needed in fees to create an NFT. In order to make your own token, that is an artwork on the Ethereum blockchain, you will need to use Ethereum, which as of today is $2,868.11 for 1 Ethereum. Then again, you would need to pay in terms of Ethereum for the work that goes into handling the transaction. After all these business transactions comes the most morally important environmental cost. In an analysis at Cambridge University, it was found that mining for Ethereum has consumed power equivalent to the amount of energy used by Libya. So, If you are a creative person with hundreds of dollars who would also contribute to environmental conservation from the money you make, then please give it a go. After hours of reading, this is my simplest way of explaining what is an NFT, why and who should invest in this. Hopefully now, after watching my video, you would not be curious about the sudden surge in NFT price or be shocked when you see that the first tweet was sold for $2.9 million. This is not the end of NFT, as it's just the beginning of a new trend. I hope you liked our video. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And if you want to show your support for the channel, all you have to do right now is take 2 seconds and press that thumbs up button and like this video.